Well, hello everyone, this is Look into Space and Science, and the universe is literally humming with invisible ripples. And scientists just heard something incredible. Back in 1915, Einstein predicted, that when massive objects like black holes collide, they'd send, ripples through, space-time itself. A century later, in 2015, we finally heard our first gravitational wave, and since then, we've detected 90 cosmic collisions. But scientists just dropped a bombshell, and they've found 128 brand new gravitational wave signals in a single observing run. That's right, 128. We just doubled our entire catalog of these space-time ripples. And we're hearing black holes up to 225 times more massive than our sun. Collisions happening 5 billion light years away, and signals so clear they're like whispers becoming shouts. From the tiniest neutron stars to the most extreme black hole monsters, we're now listening to the universe's hidden soundtrack. And with detectors getting more sensitive every year, this cosmic symphony is actually just getting started. So I hope you guys have a great day and a great night.